Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to activate Alipay Tour Card. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on more right here. And you have to simply scroll down all the way down to TourCard right here. So click on that. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on enter. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on use now. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on confirm right here. Then it's going to take you to this particular page. So you have 3 steps to follow in order to activate your Alipay Tour Card. The first step is to verify your info. The next step is select the amount you want to fund your Alipay Tour Card with. Last stage here is where you make payment with your MasterCard or your Visa card, if your country is eligible to use Alipay Tour Card. And for you to choose your country, if your country is eligible to use Alipay Tour Card, simply click on here to choose your country. So right here, these are eligible country for Alipay Tour Card service. So you can simply scroll down and choose your country from here. So you can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different country is going to load up. However, if your country is not exist right here, it simply means that your country cannot use Alipay Tour Card. Then you have to opt into using of full Alipay top-up service. Okay, so once you see your country right here, let's for instance, I'm from Togo, select your country and automatically your country code is going to appear right here. Next thing you want to do is to enter your mobile number right here, the mobile number you use to open your Alipay account. After you enter your mobile number, next thing you need to do is to select by sequence. This icon right here must be selected from the screen right here, just like so. So for you to do that, so you can see the first one here is folder, the second one here is Wi-Fi icon, while the last one is something like this. Once you verify, then make sure you enter your phone number correctly, and in a few seconds it's going to load the verification code. Once you verify successful, next thing you need to do is to simply click on next, and with that you will be sent a verification code into your mobile number. Enter it and select the amount you want to top up and buy your bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard, and choose the amount you want to top up with Alipay Tour Card with. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply activate your Alipay Tour Card and how you can fund the Tour Card without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.